Welcome to Little Rainbow. Today, we are going to learn all about shapes. Shapes are everywhere, around us. Are you ready? Let's go. This is a circle. A circle is round and round, with no corners at all. Look at a bouncy ball and the bright sun. They are all circles. Can you say circle? Circle. This is a square. A square has 4 equal sides. Look at a window and a gift box. They are all squares. Can you say square? Square. This is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Look at a party hat and a slice of pizza. They are all triangles. Can you say triangle? Triangle. This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short. Look at a door and a book. They are all rectangles. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. This is a star. A star has 5 shiny points. Look at a starfish and a bright star. They are all stars. Can you say star? Star. This is a heart. A heart is the shape of love. Look at a heart balloon and a heart cookie. They are all hearts. Can you say heart? Heart. This is an oval. An oval is like a circle, but longer. Look at an egg and a balloon. They are all ovals. Can you say oval? Oval? This is a diamond. A diamond has 4 equal sides that lean to the side. Look at a kite and a shiny gem. They are all diamonds. Can you say diamond? Diamond? You did it. Let's name all our shapes. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, star, heart, oval and diamond. Yay! Great job! You learned your shapes. Subscribe to Little Rainbow for more fun learning. See you next time.